Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you what I feed my son as an example for dinner, for example, because he has autism, and for your reference, he's almost 13 years old. So right here I have these homemade salmon patties or salmon cakes, and I'm going to share the recipe tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But now I'm making some awesome mashed potatoes, and I'm making the mashed potatoes a fat bomb because brains that have autism need a lot of fat for nourishment. So I put a little heavy cream, a lot of butter, very liberally, a little parsley and salt for taste, mashed it up, and then a side of lightly steamed broccoli. So broccoli is high in a compound called sulforaphane, really good for autism. And of course, the wild salmon, it has the omega-3s, and of course, like I said, the butter for fat. But all of these three things really help the brain a lot.